All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 3 of the first foldable. This is finding the inverse of a function. So our function we have here is f of x. You know what, let's change it because we've been using f of x a lot. Let's change it to c of x. Okay, so c of x is equal to 7x minus, so still x. C of x is equal to 7x minus 4. So what we're looking for is we're going to find the inverse, not f anymore, now it's c, the inverse of c of x. So remember, this little symbol here shows you that it's the inverse of the function. So in order to do that, first we have to do is we have to change the c of x into y, and then write the rest of the function down is equal to 7x minus 7. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're actually going to switch the variables. So we're going to switch the variables. What this is going to do is this is going to help us find our inverse. So equals 7y minus 4. So all we did is we switched the x and the y. And now we have to solve. So we're going to solve to find the inverse. Alright, so then it's just algebra, plus 4 on both sides to get rid of the 4 because we got to get the y by itself. I'll solve. Let's do 4y. Solve for y to find the inverse because what are we solving for, right? Alright, so this is x plus 4 is equal to 7y. Divide by 7. Divide by 7. This reduces. I'm going to put the y in front. Use the associated property. So y is equal to x plus 4 over 7. So we just seen that we have our inverse of c of x is equal to x plus 4 divided by 7. And that's it. So since we only got one answer, we know that this is going to be our inverse. Sometimes when you're doing square roots or quad roots or fourth roots, you get a plus or minus, and that gives you two answers. But that cannot be because remember, when you have a function, to have a function needs to be for one input, it has to have one output. But if you have one input here and you have two outputs because it's plus or minus, it wouldn't be a function.